gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy good company and wine. I am G. Barrena, make some noise! I am G. Barrena, make some noise! Magpalakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Because we are proud, I am G. Kumana.
We are proud, IMG!
Alright, thank you so much. I am G. Barrena, I am loving the energy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to International Marketing Group or IMG Brain First Gala Night 2025. Empowering Filipinos through financial education with our community leaders gracing this momentous occasion. An evening that inspires, empowers, and made for the Filipino community here in the Kingdom of Bahrain. By the way, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Host Stanley at your service, and I want to welcome you here at Ramiro's Hotel here in Japan. Palakpakan naman dyan! Let's all welcome our distinguished IMG B1 Saudi leaders and builders on their professional backing of 4 Senior Executive Vice Chairman SEBC Joey and Chef Villanueva. Make way for our executive marketing directors. We have Ma'am EMD Perlita Melad, Ma'am EMD Johanna de la Peña, and Ma'am EMD Onelia Danan. Huwag kami naman po tayo sa mga guests po natin. Ayan na po yung ating mga IMG B1 Saudi leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi rin magpapaulit. The last but definitely not the least, our senior marketing directors from IMG B1 leaders, Jeddah or Alcobar, Sir SMD Edinberto Santiago, and Sir SMD Gary Salinas.
And for allowing us to come together in fellowship, unity, and celebration.
On behalf of IMG Bahrain, it's my honor to welcome each one of you this special night.
Isang napakagandang patunay na lumalawak, lumalakas, at mas tumatatag ang ating advocacy sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. A leader and mentor, a visionary and an inspiration to many. Ladies and gentlemen, with a warm round of applause, let us welcome Tito Joey Ernesto.
Thank you very much, Tita IMG. Good evening, IMG Bahrain!
Good evening, sir!
Maraming salamat, Tita SMD Karen and Tito SMD Lloyd. At syempre, kay at sa ating napakagaling na MC, kay Stanley. Yung ating gala night para sa IMG Bahrain. At sa pamumuno yon ninyo, kung gaano kagaling ang pantas na ito. Sabi niya, mas magaling ako dito. And today, that empowerment is what we are celebrating and starting here in IMG Bahrain Gala Night. Good evening.
Rest assured that MWO Bahrain will be always behind you and be your partners in this advocacy.
Empowering Filipinos in Bahrain through financial education.
Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang IMG.
Inside of you lives beauty. There are no words left to speak, but if you feel like a thief, oh pretty baby, but not be time I'll pray, oh pretty baby, not that I found you so let me love you, baby. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. I just love is right, and I take God on the line. Farida Sarif Mahmoud. To receive the next award, may we have Shena Carmona, Alma Maria Lacui. Moving on with our next award for our associates, first on the list we have Ria Inocencio. Congratulations for our first bunch of awardees or recipients.
There, congratulations.
ING King and Queen of the Gala 2025. Magkakaroon tayo ng tatlong nominado sa lalaki at sa babae. As I call your name, please come forward and join us here out on the stage. Our first nominee for the ING King of the Gala 2025. Paano dito? Kapalik. Side to side tayo. Okay, dito sige na, sir. Wala ba kayo tayo, sir? Ay, ito niya. Pang-beautiful ang peg. Ano pong inspirasyon mo ngayong gabi?
Marami.
Nako, sino sila? Parang hindi ko yata magbilang sa daliri ko ah.
Pero ang mas inspiration ko yung ING.
Bakit po ING?
Kasi ito yung makakatulong sa akin. Lalong-lalo na po isa kang OFW.
Sir, madali lang yung question natin. Ito, ano ang sagot sa kahirapan?
Sorry, okay?
Ano ang sagot sa kahirapan?
Save ang sagot sa hirapan is save and invest in our financial education. ING is the best sa one way of vehicle. At ako din natuto being sa OFW at naging inspiration ko.
Do you understand Tagalog or Filipino words, sir?
No, not much.
Oh, sige. Taglish tayo, sige. Anyway, how do you feel for tonight, sir?
Pretty great, thank you.
Very good. Anyway, who's your inspiration in your life? Who's your inspiration?
Mostly my mom and my brother.
Can you give a few words, a message to your mom?
I love you. I love you, son.
And thank you for everything. Okay.
Member ka na ba? Hindi ka ba member? Kailan ka magpapa-member?
Malapit na actually. Usap na kami. So, after this, usapan natin yan.
Shout your choice, ladies and gentlemen, who will bring home the trophy and such for the ING King of the Gala 2025? Shout your choice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come on! Kulang. Number? 3! Ulit! 3! Say it loud one more time. 3! Or talaga eh, wala akong magagawa eh. Once again, congratulations, Sir Cecilio Lalaga, our ING King of the Gala 2025.
Nadaan sa macho. May hakot.
Ayun na nga. May umaapi na. Alright, maraming salamat po for our other nominees for being sport for this portion, for this round.
You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces.
Mga female category. Female nominees for this round, which is the ING Queen of the Gala 2025. For our first nominee, please join us here in front, Ma'am Lisa Cruz. Rampa naman dyan. Ayun na talaga.
ito na talaga. Ang ating question for tonight para sa'yo, bakit color black ang suot mo ngayong gabi ito?
Nakablock po ako dahil sa tingin ko, gala night kasi para sa akin, mas maganda ang black.
Yun, mga tao. Ulitin nga natin. Parang na-chill lang, no? Thank you so much, Miss Elisa Cruz. How about for Miss Silvera? Join us here in front. O, syempre, alam niyo na yung next question ko para sa kanya. Bakit color pink? Pero hindi. Bakit bulang natin yung suot mo ngayon? Yun yung tanong ko.
Paborito ko po talaga ang black natin kasi maganda po siya. Kahit po sa gilid ng bahay natin.
Parang ikaw po, no? Alright, thank you so much, Miss Silvera, wearing her light pink dress. Down. Moving forward with our third nominee, no other Mayflower Aguila. Ma'am, medyo sensitive yung question ko. Gano'n po kataas ang paglipad niyo? Kasi Aguila po eh. Oh, sorry po ha, wala po akong offense eh. Anyway, kung magiging ibon ka, anong klaseng ibon ka at bakit?
Eagle siya.
Bakit po?
Bukod sa mataas lupad, mataas ang pangarap, para sa pamilya, para sa sarili.
You know that? Kasi proud ka,
And I'm so proud I'm a member of IMG.
Ito na talaga ang ating pinaka-sophisticated naman ang may pagano'n pa. Oh. Anyway, for our first nominee, let's look for Alma. Please join me here in front. Ito may pag-leaders tayo. May mga, ang tawag dito? Yung mga sequence. Ilang taon mong tinahi ito? Kasi ang hirap gumawa ng ganitong dress. Yung sequence. Mga ilang taon?
16 years.
16 years.
Ako sa Bahrain.
Ayun naman talaga yung design pang magmula nung nakarating ka dito hanggang ngayon, tinapos mo talaga no, just for this gala night. Pero mga ibang question natin. Bakit perlas ang nasa pintas mo?
Kasi mahilig ako sa pearls at saka kailangan natin umuwi ng Pinas sa ating pearls ng silanganan which is ang Pilipinas.
Ayun! Gusto ko manalo! May connection!
At saka proud na po dahil na-invite ako dito sa IMG and I am now a Kaiser holder.
Oh!
So I want to be, within December, member na rin ako ng
Para mag-gusto ka na manalo, no? Anyway, thank you so much, Miss Alma, for your brilliant answer. Hindi rin magpapuhuli. The one and only, our very own, Corazon Aquino. Corazon Villanueva. How are you? How do you feel for tonight? You look so perfect wearing your black and white dress. Can you give a few words to all your supporters over there?
Hello po. Magandang gabi. Okay ba yung damit ko? Proud IMG.
Wala na bang ibang masasabi? Proud IMG na. I love IMG. Kasi?
Kasi, yung mga wala ko sa IMG. Yes! Millionaire!
Hindi makiambak naman dyan. Ito paano? Beke naman. Mag-remember din ako soon. Anyway, ito yung final question. Ito na talaga. Sinong inspirasyon mo? Bakit ka nagigising sa pang-araw-araw?
Isa lang.
Ay, dalawa pala sila, hindi isa.
Ay, wala. Kasama, tatay, basta nalayan ako. Dalawa. Yun lang.
Bakit ko ng tatay?
Basta nalayan ako.
Ano pag ako yung magiging tatay? Anyway, congratulations for now for our 5 nominees. Magkaroon tayo ng audience impact para malaman natin kung sino ang mananalo, ang magwawagi ng corona para sa IMG Queen of the Gala, Sway! Sway time! For our IMG Queen of the Gala 2025, let's give it for Corazon Villanueva! To present the award, Lady Woman, SEDC Tess Villanueva and Mom SMB Karen Gracias to present the award on Villanueva! For Miss Corazon Villanueva, please receive this B1 leaders, block of appreciation to be given to Miss or Perlita Melat, the Executive Marketing Director, in deep appreciation of your honorable presence as our special guest. And join us here in front, no other than Executive Marketing Director, Johanna De La Peña. To receive this award for our Executive Marketing Director, Onel Medanan. Another plug of precision given to our Executive Marketing Director, Onel Medanan. To receive the award, we have Sir Edil Santiago, our special guest during the gala night, during or on December 5, 2025 at Ramen Rose Hotel here in Japan.
Yung award lang po natin sa kanya. And of course, ayan na po, ang best host of the year 2025 goes to Stanley Santos. Yan, gusto mo yung drama, okay?
Wakasan ang ating programa ngayong gabi for the first gala of IMG Bahrain. We're gonna do first the group photo. Smile, come on. Show your best smile.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Yung ngiting tagumpay. We are proud IMG! Woo!
Let's have a big whoosh. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! One team, one dream, one system, one mission, one heart.
To everyone who contributed, performers, speakers, organizers, sponsors, and guests, thank you for making this night meaningful and memorable.
Perlita Melat, for your heartwarming closing remarks or a thank you message to all the participants and guests who came for tonight's lovely event, who traveled a miles away, all the way from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. And we would like also to extend our sincere appreciation for our members and guests who came for tonight's lovely event, and for our IMG Bahrain community, and to all the people in making this event a possible and a successful one. Palakpakan nyo ang iyong mga sarili. This has been your host for tonight, host Stanley at your service. And we are absolutely incredible live here at Ramen Rose Hotel here in Japan. But before we officially close our program, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have the dance number together with our IMG Bahrain community with the tune of Feliz Navidad for our after party. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Maraming salamat po, and God bless us all. Woo!
Don't just fight it, baby. You were dead.
the SMB Senior Marketing Director Karen Gasias. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away.
Ayan, so good evening sa ating lahat. Siyempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa ating host for this evening. So, thankful ako sa iyo dahil napakaganda ng program natin ngayon, very successful. At nagpapasalamat ako kasi magmula umpisa hanggang sa matapos po yung program natin is nandiyan ka. Hindi lang po siya talented as host, napakarami pang bagay. Diba?
All in
so,
one.
sa susunod, syempre, kapartner na ulit natin siya.
Syempre naman.
Diba? Maraming salamat and I'm very thankful talaga na napakaganda ng ating ngayon, yung ating program. So, thank you!
Maganda was once again SMB Karen Gasias. Magpapaalam na tayo. Bye-bye!